Hello, I'm the AI Explorer. Welcome to today's Quantum Brief. SealSQ has unveiled quantum-resistant cryptography with its QS7001 secure element, designed to protect Bitcoin wallets from future quantum threats. This solution is based on NIST standardized algorithms. SealSQ's PQC, now everybody remember that term, I'll bring it up in a second again. PQC algorithms are embedded in the QS7001 secure element, a tamper-resistant chip optimized for resource-constrained environments like hardware, wallets, and IoT devices. The QS7001 enables secure storage of post-quantum private keys, efficient quantum-resistant signing, and key exchange operations. The hardware-rooted trust with low power consumption is ideal for cold wallets and embedded systems. And speaking of PQC, that stands for post-quantum cryptography. I'll say that again, post-quantum cryptography. These new codes are designed to stay safe even if someone uses a quantum computer to try to break them. Microsoft is rolling out post-quantum cryptography support to early access builds of Windows and Linux. This initiative incorporates NIST standardized algorithms like ML-KEM and ML-DSA for key exchanges and digital signatures, helping organizations prepare for potential harvest now, decrypt later threats. A bipartisan group is urging Congress to double federal funding for quantum technology to maintain U.S. momentum in research and development. They argue that the current funding levels flatlined in the Trump administration's budget proposal are insufficient to compete with China's aggressive investments in its national quantum program. The group emphasizes the importance of a strong federal commitment to attract private sector investment and prevent technological stagnation. And USC researchers achieve quantum sensing breakthrough by overcoming decoherence barrier, paving way for medical imaging advancement. That is exciting news, as researchers at the University of Southern California have developed a protocol to stabilize quantum states in qubits, mitigating the effects of decoherence. The technique, requiring no additional hardware or resources, holds promise for immediate application in existing quantum technologies, potentially enhancing sensitivity by up to 1.96 times in certain systems. Superconducting qubits, particularly those utilizing techniques like the USC protocol, have significant applications in quantum sensing. They offer high sensitivity to magnetic fields, making them valuable for medical imaging, dark matter detection, and other fields. Beyond the laboratory, quantum sensing has far-reaching implications, including revolutionizing medical diagnostics, environmental monitoring, fundamental physics research, navigation, and industrial quality control. And to close us off here, we have 100 years of quantum celebrations. The United Nations has proclaimed 2025 as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology, to increase public awareness of quantum science and applications. Like and subscribe to help spread the quantum news. Thank you for watching and have a great day.